Our mission is a singular obsession. Built on more than 25 years of constant innovation. It is a relentless pursuit for flawless sound that truly stands alone. The BP9000 series is a testament to this vision, combining the most advanced audio technologies with iconic, intelligent design, providing the high-performance, room-filling sound you demand. Definitive's patented forward-focused bipolar technology elevates audio reproduction to unsurpassed levels, maximizing the soundstage so the sweet spot is wherever you are. With integrated powered subwoofers, you get deep bass and explosive detail without the need to add a separate subwoofer. Intelligent Bass Control, our latest proprietary advancement, pushes this unique feature into new sonic territory, letting you customize the lowest frequencies without sacrificing exceptionally clean mid-range. We've also rewritten the rules on three-dimensional sound, with seamless compatibility for Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. Each speaker readily supports our A90 two-way height module for true multi-dimensional sound you can hear and feel. The time is now to go beyond the status quo, because when innovation is the only option, the next step forward is to enter a whole new dimension of sound. This is what obsession sounds like.